अंग्रेजी अनियमित क्रियाएं। अनिश्चित क्रिया भूतकाल भूतकालिदंत कड़ी टू।
English irregular verbs. Infinitive verb. Past tense. Past participle. English irregular verbs. Infinitive verb. Past tense. Past participle.
नींद
Sleep. Slept. Slept. Sleep. Slept. Slept.
मैं आमतौर पर हर रात 8 घंटे सोता हूँ।
I usually sleep for 8 hours every night. I usually sleep for 8 hours every night.
वह कल रात जल्दी सो गई क्योंकि वह थकी हुई थी।
She slept early last night because she was tired. She slept early last night because she was tired.
वे पूरी फिल्म सोते रहे।
They have slept through the entire movie. They have slept through the entire movie.
बोलो
Speak. Spoke. Spoken. Speak. Spoke. Spoken.
मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ हर दिन अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ।
I speak English with my friends every day. I speak English with my friends every day.
उसने कल इस मुद्दे पर मैनेजर से बात की।
He spoke to the manager about the issue yesterday. He spoke to the manager about the issue yesterday.
वह की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलनों में बोल चुकी है।
She has spoken at several international conferences. She has spoken at several international conferences.
खड़ा रहा
Stand. Stood. Stood. Stand. Stood. Stood.
मैं हर सुबह बस स्टॉप पर खड़ा रहता हूँ।
I stand at the bus stop every morning. I stand at the bus stop every morning.
वह दरवाजे पर खड़ी होकर उसका इंतजार कर रही थी।
She stood by the door waiting for him. She stood by the door waiting for him.
वे मुश्किल समय में भी साथ खड़े रहे हैं।
They have stood together through difficult times. They have stood together through difficult times.
ले लिया लाना
Take. Took. Taken. Take. Took. Taken.
मुझे अपना कोट ले जाने दो।
Let me take your coat. Let me take your coat.
वह पिछले सप्ताह अपने कुत्ते को पशु चिकित्सक के पास ले गया था।
He took his dog to the vet last week. He took his dog to the vet last week.
मेरा नाम सूची से हटा दिया गया था।
My name had been taken off the list. My name had been taken off the list.
सिखाना
Teach. Taught. Taught. Teach. Taught. Taught.
मैं एक स्थानीय स्कूल में अंग्रेजी पढ़ाता हूँ।
I teach English at a local school. I teach English at a local school.
उसने अपने बच्चों को पढ़ना लिखना सिखाया।
She taught her children to read and write. She taught her children to read and write.
उसने विश्वविद्यालय में कई पाठ्यक्रम पढ़ाए हैं।
He has taught several courses at the university. He has taught several courses at the university.
बताओ,
Tell. Told. Told. Tell. Told. Told.
मैं अपने दोस्तों को अपने सप्ताहांत की योजनाओं के बारे में बताता हूँ।
I tell my friends about my weekend plans. I tell my friends about my weekend plans.
उसने उसे कल खबर बताई।
She told him the news yesterday. She told him the news yesterday.
उन्होंने हमें शेड्यूल में बदलाव के बारे में बताया है।
They have told us about the changes to the schedule. They have told us about the changes to the schedule.
सोचो,
Think. Thought. Thought. Think. Thought. Thought.
मैं अक्सर अपने परिवार के बारे में सोचता हूँ।
I think about my family often. I think about my family often.
उसने सोचा कि मीटिंग कल के लिए निर्धारित थी।
He thought the meeting was scheduled for tomorrow. He thought the meeting was scheduled for tomorrow.
उसने अपनी भविष्य की योजनाओं के बारे में बहुत सोचा है।
She has thought a lot about her future plans. She has thought a lot about her future plans.
समझ गया,
Understand. Understood. Understood. Understand. Understood. Understood.
मैं निर्देशों को स्पष्ट रूप से समझता हूँ।
I understand the instructions clearly. I understand the instructions clearly.
स्पष्टीकरण के बाद उसे समस्या समझ में आ गई।
He understood the problem after the explanation. He understood the problem after the explanation.
उसने शुरू से ही अवधारणा को समझ लिया है।
She has understood the concept since the beginning. She has understood the concept since the beginning.
जागो,
Wake. Woke. Woken. Wake. Woke. Woken.
मैं हर दिन सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ।
I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
वह आज सुबह देर से उठा क्योंकि वह थका हुआ था।
He woke up late this morning because he was tired. He woke up late this morning because he was tired.
वे सूर्योदय देखने के लिए जल्दी उठ गए हैं।
They have woken up early to catch the sunrise. They have woken up early to catch the sunrise.
लिखना,
Write. Wrote. Written. Write. Wrote. Written.
मैं हर शाम अपनी पत्रिका में लिखता हूँ।
I write in my journal every evening. I write in my journal every evening.
उसने पिछले हफ्ते अपने दोस्त को एक पत्र लिखा था।
She wrote a letter to her friend last week. She wrote a letter to her friend last week.
उसने पत्रिका के लिए कई लेख लिखे हैं।
He has written several articles for the magazine. He has written several articles for the magazine.
उठो,
Arise. Arose. Arisen. Arise. Arose. Arisen.
हर परियोजना में नई चुनौतियां आती हैं।
New challenges arise in every project. New challenges arise in every project.
कल बैठक के दौरान एक समस्या उत्पन्न हुई।
A problem arose during the meeting yesterday. A problem arose during the meeting yesterday.
नीति परिवर्तन के बाद से कई मुद्दे उठे हैं।
Several issues have arisen since the policy change. Several issues have arisen since the policy change.
सहन करना,
Bear. Bore. Born. Bear. Bore. Born.
काम पर मुझे भारी जिम्मेदारी उठानी पड़ी।
I bear a heavy responsibility at work. I bear a heavy responsibility at work.
दुर्घटना के बाद उसने बहादुरी से दर्द सहा।
She bore the pain bravely after the accident. She bore the pain bravely after the accident.
बोझ मजदूरों ने उठाया।
The load was borne by the workers. The load was borne by the workers.
मारू हराना,
Beat. Beat. Beaten. Beat. Beat. Beaten.
मैंने केक के लिए अंडे फेंटे।
I beat the eggs for the cake. I beat the eggs for the cake.
उसने फाइनल मैच में अपने प्रतिद्वंद्वी को हराया।
He beat his opponent in the final match. He beat his opponent in the final match.
कुत्ते को उसके पिछले मालिक ने पीटा था।
The dog had been beaten by its previous owner. The dog had been beaten by its previous owner.
बांधना,
Bind. Bound. Bound. Bind. Bound. Bound.
मैं दस्तावेजों को क्लिप से बांधता हूँ।
I bind the documents with a clip. I bind the documents with a clip.
उसने अपने जीवन को समाज के नियमों से बांधा।
She bound her life by the rules of the society. She bound her life by the rules of the society.
पैकेज को स्ट्रिंग से बांधा गया था।
The package was bound with string. The package was bound with string.
खून बह रहा है।
Bleed. Bled. Bled. Bleed. Bled. Bled.
मैंने गलती से खुद को काट लिया और खून बहने लगा।
I accidentally cut myself and started to bleed. I accidentally cut myself and started to bleed.
दुर्घटना के बाद उसका बहुत खून बह रहा था।
He bled a lot after the accident. He bled a lot after the accident.
इस महीने उसकी नाक से कई बार खून बह चुका है।
She has bled from her nose several times this month. She has bled from her nose several times this month.
निर्माण,
Build. Built. Built. Build. Built. Built.
मैं शौक के तौर पर मॉडल हवाई जहाज बनाता हूँ।
I build model airplanes as a hobby. I build model airplanes as a hobby.
उसने पिछली गर्मियों में अपने पिछवाड़े में एक नया शेड बनाया था।
He built a new shed in his backyard last summer. He built a new shed in his backyard last summer.
उन्होंने पिछले दशक में एक सफल व्यवसाय बनाया है।
They have built a successful business over the past decade. They have built a successful business over the past decade.
फेंकना, मतदान करना, प्रक्षिप्त करना।
Cast. 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 Cast.
मैंने झील में मछली पकड़ने की लाइन डाली।
I cast a fishing line into the lake. I cast a fishing line into the lake.
उसने कल चुनाव में अपना वोट डाला।
She cast her vote in the election yesterday. She cast her vote in the election yesterday.
छायाएं डूबते सूरज की थीं।
The shadows were cast by the setting sun. The shadows were cast by the setting sun.
पकड़ना, बीमार होना, गाड़ी में सवारी करना।
Catch. Caught. Caught. Catch. Caught. Caught.
मैं हर सुबह काम पर जाने के लिए बस पकड़ता हूँ।
I catch the bus to work every morning. I catch the bus to work every morning.
बारिश में बाहर रहने के कारण उसे सर्दी लग गई।
He caught a cold after being out in the rain. He caught a cold after being out in the rain.
उसने मछली पकड़ने की अपनी यात्रा के दौरान कई मछलियाँ पकड़ी हैं।
She has caught several fish during her fishing trip. She has caught several fish during her fishing trip.
चुने,
Choose. Chose. Chosen. Choose. Chose. Chosen.
मैंने पार्टी के लिए नीली शर्ट चुनी।
I choose the blue shirt for the party. I choose the blue shirt for the party.
उसने लाल कार चुनी क्योंकि यह उसका पसंदीदा रंग था।
He chose the red car because it was his favorite color. He chose the red car because it was his favorite color.
उसने इस सप्ताहांत पढ़ने के लिए एक नई किताब चुनी है।
She has chosen a new book to read this weekend. She has chosen a new book to read this weekend.
चिपकाना, कसकर गले लगाना।
Cling. Clung. Clung. Cling. Clung. Clung.
मैं बचपन की अपनी पुरानी यादों से चिपका रहता हूँ।
I cling to my old memories from childhood. I cling to my old memories from childhood.
वह तूफान के दौरान अपनी माँ से चिपकी रही।
She clung to her mother during the storm. She clung to her mother during the storm.
बच्ची पूरे दिन अपने पसंदीदा खिलौने से चिपकी रही।
The child has clung to her favorite toy all day. The child has clung to her favorite toy all day.
लागत,
Cost. 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 Cost.
नए फोन की कीमत $500 है।
The new phone costs $500. The new phone costs $500.
मरम्मत की लागतें हमारी अपेक्षा से ज्यादा है।
The repairs cost more than we expected. The repairs cost more than we expected.
इस प्रोजेक्ट में हमारा बहुत समय और मेहनत लगी है।
The project has cost us a lot of time and effort. The project has cost us a lot of time and effort.
रेंगना, चुपचाप।
Creep. Crept. Crept. Creep. Crept. Crept.
मैं चुपचाप सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतरता हूँ ताकि मैं किसी को न जगाऊं।
I creep quietly down the stairs so I don't wake anyone. I creep quietly down the stairs so I don't wake anyone.
वह अपने दोस्तों को आश्चर्यचकित करने के लिए कमरे में घुसा।
He crept into the room to surprise his friends. He crept into the room to surprise his friends.
आज सुबह घाटी पर कोहरा छा गया है।
The fog has crept over the valley this morning. The fog has crept over the valley this morning.
सौदा,
Deal. Dealt. Dealt. Deal. Dealt. Dealt.
मैं हर दिन ग्राहक सेवा के मुद्दों से निपटता हूँ।
I deal with customer service issues every day. I deal with customer service issues every day.
उसने मुश्किल स्थिति को शांति से निपटाया।
She dealt with the difficult situation calmly. She dealt with the difficult situation calmly.
उन्होंने अपने व्यवसाय में कई चुनौतियों का सामना किया है।
They have dealt with many challenges in their business. They have dealt with many challenges in their business.
गोताखोरी डाइविंग,
Dive. Dove. Dived. Dive. Dove. Dived.
मैं हर गर्मियों में पूल में गोता लगाता हूँ।
I dive into the pool every summer. I dive into the pool every summer.
उसने कुत्ते को बचाने के लिए पानी में गोता लगाया।
He dove into the water to save the dog. He dove into the water to save the dog.
उसने कई स्कूबा डाइविंग अभियानों में गोता लगाया है।
She has dived in several scuba diving expeditions. She has dived in several scuba diving expeditions.
खींचा,
Draw. Drew. Drawn. Draw. Drew. Drawn.
मैं हर शाम अपनी स्केचबुक में चित्र बनाता हूँ।
I draw pictures in my sketchbook every evening. I draw pictures in my sketchbook every evening.
उसने पिछले सप्ताहांत एक सुंदर परिदृश्य बनाया।
She drew a beautiful landscape last weekend. She drew a beautiful landscape last weekend.
उसने परियोजना के लिए कई विस्तृत नक्शे बनाए हैं।
He has drawn several detailed maps for the project. He has drawn several detailed maps for the project.
पीना,
Drink. Drink. Drunk. Drink. Drank. Drunk.
मैं हर सुबह कॉफी पीता हूँ।
I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning.
उसने दौड़ने के बाद एक गिलास पानी पिया।
She drank a glass of water after her run. She drank a glass of water after her run.
उन्होंने फ्रिज से सारा जूस पी लिया है।
They have drunk all the juice from the fridge. They have drunk all the juice from the fridge.
ड्राइव,
Drive. Drove. Driven. Drive. Drove. Driven.
मैं हर दिन काम पर ड्राइव करता हूँ।
I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day.
वह पिछले सप्ताहांत समुद्र तट पर ड्राइव करके गया था।
He drove to the beach last weekend. He drove to the beach last weekend.
वह 2 बार पूरे देश में ड्राइव कर चुकी है।
She has driven across the country twice. She has driven across the country twice.
लड़ाई झगड़ना।
Fight. Fought. Fought. Fight. Fought. Fought.
लड़ाई को रोकने के लिए पुलिस को बुलाया गया।
Police were called in to break up the fight. Police were called in to break up the fight.
उन्होंने लड़ाई में बहादुरी से लड़ाई लड़ी।
They fought bravely in the battle. They fought bravely in the battle.
उन्होंने अपना पूरा जीवन अन्याय के खिलाफ लड़ा है।
She has fought against injustice her whole life. She has fought against injustice her whole life.
मना।
Forbid. Forbade. Forbidden. Forbid. Forbade. Forbidden.
मैं अपने बच्चों को देर तक जागने से मना करता हूँ।
I forbid my children from staying up too late. I forbid my children from staying up too late.
शिक्षक ने छात्रों को कक्षा के दौरान अपने फोन का उपयोग करने से मना किया है।
The teacher forbade the students from using their phones during class. The teacher forbade the students from using their phones during class.
उन्होंने प्रतिबंधित क्षेत्र में प्रवेश पर रोक लगा दी है।
They have forbidden access to the restricted area. They have forbidden access to the restricted area.
जमाना।
Freeze. Froze. Frozen. Freeze. Froze. Frozen.
मैं बाद में इस्तेमाल करने के लिए बचे हुए खाने को जमा देता हूँ।
I freeze leftovers to use later. I freeze leftovers to use later.
सर्दियों के दौरान झील जम गई थी।
The lake froze over during the winter. The lake froze over during the winter.
धोखाधड़ी को रोकने के लिए उसने अपने क्रेडिट कार्ड खातों को जमा दिया है।
She has frozen her credit card accounts to prevent fraud. She has frozen her credit card accounts to prevent fraud.
हमारे द्वारा जारी किए गए वीडियो इमिग्रेंट इंग्लिश स्टोरीज का 1 एपिसोड, रेस्तरां इंग्लिश के 2 एपिसोड, इंग्लिश इरेगुलर वर्ब्स के 2 एपिसोड। हम नए अंग्रेजी वीडियो लॉन्च करना जारी रखेंगे। कृपया सदस्यता लेना जारी रखें और लिंडा क्लास देखें। धन्यवाद।